Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is An, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this makeup look. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm gonna first prime my eyelids using my all-time favorite eyeshadow primer, which is the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. To apply this, I'm taking my favorite brush, which is the Beauty P84. This is like a really tiny kabuki brush, and this is just really easy to apply cream products. So when I'm done with applying that, I'm taking this color Laguna from this palette from Colourpop. This is a really beautiful palette with like a lot of warm tones. It has a few really intense sparkly eyeshadows, which are really beautiful. And I wanted to use this palette because I haven't used it yet. So I start by blending this in my crease. Normally I would really go like from all the way to the outer corner to the inner corner, but today I'm focusing mainly at the inner part of the crease and the outer V area. So that's what I'm gonna do. I went in a few times back with my brush into the eyeshadow to get like most color payoff, and then I just continue blending it so it looks really soft. Then I'm gonna take this color, which is called Gold Brush. I'm gonna start at the outer end of the crease. As you can see, I'm gonna try to create like a sort of shadow at the outer end of the crease. I want to create like a sort of like really deep set crease, which I've done a few times before. I just think it gives you a really different kind of crease shape, if that makes sense. And I think it looks really beautiful. I've done a few bridal looks and I did the same technique. So now I'm going to take this eyeshadow primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use a little bit of that with a blending brush, and I'm going to softly blend this on top of my eyelid. I wanted to create like a sort of clean base for the next eyeshadow I will apply later on. I could do it like on top of my eyelid as how it was looking, but I feel like if you use a little bit of concealer, it just makes the whole eyelid look more clean and the base is just gonna look more better. So this is just a really easy trick. You just apply a very tiny amount on a blending brush and you kind of start dabbing and kind of blending it on the eyelids. So around the crease area, I'm gonna be a little bit more focused because I don't want to go on top of the crease, because that way you won't see the colors which I have applied. So I'm gonna blend this a little bit underneath the crease, and what this does is that it's also gonna clean it up, which make it looks a little bit more sharper, but without making it look like too sharp. Like it's not gonna be a cut crease, it's just gonna be like a really subtle cut crease, if that makes sense. It's really hard to explain. So I'm gonna take this black eyeliner from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is in the color Jet, and I'm gonna take my favorite brush, which is the angled brow brush from Sigma Beauty. This is my favorite brush for applying eyeliner. So I'm just gonna start with creating a simple line above the lash line, and then I'm gonna create a really bold wing liner. I felt like since the colors on the eyelid are so soft, I wanted to do like a statement bold wing. So I'm just gonna put on some music so you guys can see how I'm doing this. I do have a few videos which are really dedicated on how I do my wing liner. I will make sure to link it down in the description bar. But in today's video, I wanted to show as much of the like whole progress on how I do my wing so you guys can really see how I'm doing this. So now that I'm done with my wing liner, I'm gonna take this new liquid liner from Anastasia and I'm gonna apply it all the way on top of where I just created the wing with the jaw eyeliner. I really like to use like different layers when it comes to eyeliner. I feel like it gives more dimension, it just looks extra black, and I just really like how that looks. So I'm just gonna apply a thin coat on top of it. This will just make it look so much more intenser, and I think that's what makes this look really special, because the black eyeliner just really jumps out, if you know what I mean. So now I'm taking a little bit of concealer with a Dose of Colors concealer brush, and I'm gonna use this right underneath the wing, and this is gonna kind of clean it up and make it even sharper looking. So now that I'm done with the wing, I'm gonna take this dark brown color from that same palette by Colourpop, using a flat diviner brush from Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna press this as tight as possible underneath the lower lash line. This is a really nice brush for if you're doing the step that I'm doing right now, because you can really apply it really tightly. And then I'm taking this light brown orangey shade and I'm just gonna sweep my brush underneath the lower lash line to smoke it out. The brush that I'm using right now, this is actually a new brush by Sigma Beauty. It's like a really nice tiny blending brush, which is perfect. I will make sure to mention all the products, the products as well. All the products which I've used in the description, and also the brushes that I used. I know you guys ask for it all the time, so I will make sure to mention those in the description as well. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'll be using my all-time favorite lash mascara, which is the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. I just really like it. It really lifts the upper lashes, even though I don't really have that much hair. But I especially really like it for the lower lashes. It makes it feel like my hair is really long. And since I'm always wearing fake eyelashes, I feel like if your lower lashes are like really long, I feel like it really complements each other if it's kind of in balance. Let's say, for example, if you're wearing fake eyelashes but your lower lashes are really short, I feel like the fake eyelashes might be a little bit too intense, too dramatic, and this way it's kind of in a balance, if that makes sense. I feel like these lashes especially look really good with my own natural lower lashes, and that's why I really like the Roller Lash Mascara, because it really separates the lashes and also makes them very long. So now I'm gonna apply these lashes, as you can see me doing right now. I also have a dedicated video where I go really in depth on how I apply my lashes. I just show like what my favorite lash glue is, how I apply them, some tips and tricks. So if you struggle with applying your lashes, I will really recommend to watch the video. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. I think this makeup look would be amazing with red lipstick or a nude lipstick. I think you can use any lipstick in combination. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!